Welcome back to the Tech. In today's video, it's all about how to set up SEO, search engine optimization, for WordPress. It's for a beginner guide. So SEO is crucial for getting more traffic to your WordPress site. So in the beginner friendly guide, I will show you how to set up SEO for WordPress step by step, from installing essential plugins to optimizing your content. This tutorial will help you improve your site search engine ranking. Let's dive in. To start with, you need to install and set up your Yoast SEO plugin. I'm on my dashboard. You need to log in on your WordPress dashboard. So I'm on my WordPress dashboard and I have installed Yoast SEO. It's here, you can see. But I will show you how to install and set up this plugin for your site. So to do this, you need to go to plugin, then add new plugin, and just search for SEO. So you can choose, there is a 118, you can see on my screen here. So you can choose which one is better for your site, but I highly recommend check the last updated and the review. So basically the reviews here is 5-star review, and there's the amount people they used and last updated like 5 days ago. So this is I have been using those, is really effective for my site and improve my traffic. So there's the tons of here to choose for your site. So then when you are installing active to your site, that will increase your website for more traffic. So you can use the keyword search for SEO. So let me show you on my SEO what it does for my site. Settings, a quick look. Okay, so it's not okay. So that's not showing up the what the SEO does, the description I'm looking for. Anyway, so you can optimize your WordPress pages, different pages, by this plugin, and post you are sharing with others, that's ranking. And then you can create a like SEO-friendly URL for for your blogs if you want a more higher ranking traffic on your site. And then you can add meta tag, description, and titles that will improve more traffic to your site. And lastly, you can optimize the images for SEO. So the image can show you like more traffic. So when people searching for like keywords, so if your blog or page have those keywords, so people can find easily what they are looking for. So that's all for this short video about how to set up SEO for WordPress site. I hope this video is helpful for you. So please do like, share, and subscribe my channel for others WordPress tutorial and tips. Until then, thanks for watching. Bye bye.